First of all, you need to transfer money from your trading account to your FxPro broker wallet. To do this, we go to Transfer. From this menu, we first select the specific account we traded on and then carefully enter the total amount. Next, change the transaction direction and simply click the Transfer button to finish. Return to the main page. Select Withdraw Funds. Enter the withdrawal amount. And select Crypto Transfer. We will make a transfer to a crypto wallet. Choose Withdraw at the top and you need to select the crypto network. I will choose the TRC20 network. At the bottom, in this field, enter your wallet address. I go to Bybit. Open Assets. Select Deposit cryptocurrency. At the top, select USDT. Select exactly the same network, TRC20. So here is our wallet address. Be sure to check that the network matches. And select Withdraw. According to the regulations, withdrawal takes 24 hours, but most often it arrives within 2 hours.